Hi everyone, it's me Slotsky, and I'm playing Minecraft because Hazel sort of forced me to. So, it's almost dark. She thought that it would apparently be entertaining to watch. I don't really believe her on that one, but, I'm not really sure what to say. And I'm leaping about for the woods. And I have a new texture pack thing, and I'm building my house now. Oh crap, I'm gonna stay the night in here or something. And whatever, I'll just defend myself off. I'm lagging! Ooh, Piglet. I'm gonna get that Piglet. There we go. Oh, it's pretty. It's pretty. Ow! Pigs! I'm gonna eat you. I have allergies. What is this? I'm lagging. Yeah, trees. I like that. I like trees. I'm a nature person. Trees are friendly. They're very, very friendly. Everyone likes. Oh, I don't like you. No, I don't. No, I keep on clicking that. I'm gonna click on. Oh, I got 60. I feel like I'm so talented, but I'm not. I can't really comprehend that in my mind. But I am gathering some wood now. Why am I talking like this? Because I'm gathering wood. And wood is very fun. Because I like wood. And I like trees. And I like... Zombies? The zombies? Derp? Any derps out? Are you all hiding? You be hiding? Be hiding from me? Be hiding. See? I like that. I like that. I hate lag. It's me. Oh, I like these. I like these trees. They're nice. They look like cherry blossom trees. Even though they're supposed to be the Candy Kingdom trees. Sorry, Portal's playing Call of Duty in the background. So if you hear noise, then you know who to blame. I'm about to die. I need my battery charger thing. Can't find it. And I also need to get stews. Too lazy to build a house. I'm gonna build me a pickaxe. Sorry for talking like this. Wait. Why aren't there any monsters out? This is annoying. Most of you probably know where I'm living. Take a guess. Too late. Too late to take guesses. We're not playing that game anymore. Why can't I? not like that game. So if you like that game, then get out. Because we're not playing that game. I don't like it. No. You don't. Ooh, I need you. Oh, I need you all. Can I eat you? I guarantee pretty much all of you guys know where I'm living. First you may have not known, but now you do. Why can't you just come to me like that? Why can't you just magically appear? Oh, yes! That works. What? Okay, yeah. I'm too cool for any. Oh, I'm too cool for any lot because I am the coolest. I think this is deep enough. How's that? Okay. I'm gonna go up and build me a thing. Sorry, grammar freaks. That's the way to talk. It's just. Kidding me? No! Get back. I have to build another one. Again. Because I can't find the one that I built earlier. Rivet. I'm keeping you with me this time. You're not allowed to run away. Come. We're going to a fun place. And you are coming with me. We're going to the fun place together. Whee! Let's go! Whee! I'm so lonely. Oh, it's too dark down here. I hate it. Looks even worse. Where are you? You're nice. I like that candle. There. Do 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 do. It's a lovely house. I hate it. My thing's about to die. Don't die on me, pickaxe. Please. You're my old reliable. I'm gonna build them out this way. I don't want to. I really don't want to. But it works. I'm so amazing. I'm lagging. Oh yeah, I brought it with me. I was about to get mad at it. What was I up here? Okay. I'm gonna use birch wood, no one likes it. I like it. But I'm on a lot of sticks. Split up, split up, split up, split up, split up, little ones. Oh good. Did a good job for that. Whee! You're coming with me. Much better. It's better than my old pickaxe. The other one was awful. Everyone hated it. Oh. It's bait. Well, that's it for tonight, or today, or this morning, or this afternoon thing. Nice knowing that I'm right next to Lava. It'll keep me warm during the night. So, bye guys, thanks for watching, and I'd be very surprised if you actually watch this whole thing, because it's the most boring thing on earth. So, it's 10:25, and I'm very tired, and I have to get up at 7, and my computer's about to die. Any other things to complain about? Complain about? No, there's not. So, I'm gonna go ahead and post this down. Yep, I have to go. Goodbye.